Hey guys, it's me, Bella, and if you're wondering why I'm doing a second video today, I just got this Nanea Mitchell doll in the mail. I also got these two new outfits, this t-shirt, and these two pair of pants, and I'm going to be unboxing them. So, let's get started. The first thing we're going to be unboxing is Nanea Mitchell's. So, at the bottom of the box, there's a tiny little picture of her, and it also shows the picture of her book. Okay, we're gonna start unboxing. Ta-da! There she is out of the box, everyone. So Nanea came with this book, The Spirit of Aloha. She also came with this very beautiful flower, but it's just a clip-on. Here she is out of her box. Let's take these off. And her shoes are slide-on, so it is very easy to take on and off. There's also this rubber band that keeps it holding. Now we're going to do the best part. We're going to take her hairnet off. There's more. They also have this little thing that covers more of the hair, just if you're wondering what this is. And there we have it. Here is her hair. Her hair is very nice and silky and soft, and it's also very thick. There she is, everyone. Now I'm going to add the clip in her hair. And there you have it, guys. Nanea out of the box. Now we're going to unbox the t-shirt and the pants. We're gonna start to open the t-shirt first. Here it is on its hanger. It is a glittery shirt, but it isn't scratchy. It also has these ruffles at the side, and it comes on a hanger. Now we're going to unbox the two pair of pants. Here they are out of their packaging. They're both sitting on a hanger. And here they are. This is a jean, and they have some hearts on them. And it also comes with some leggings. And these are from the Truly Me collection, and they have this little design, like I guess they scrunched it up, I don't know what they did, on the side. And here are all of the outfits, and it's like a mix and match. Thanks for watching the unboxing video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!